name is Joy Cherry. I'm a full-time instructor at Central New Mexico Community College, and I teach in the paramedic program.
Hi, my name's Leslie Faust, and I'm the EMS Clinical Coordinator and full-time faculty member at Central New Mexico Community College.
Hi, I'm Bill Kelly. I'm the co-founder and CEO of ReelDx. I'm not a healthcare educator, but for the last 5 years, I have been a professor at a business school in Portland, Oregon, where I've taught both in-class and online courses.
Build a community of learners. This is probably the most important thing you can do. Make sure that your students feel connected, not only with the course, but with their classmates. This is research-based that students who are online learners are more successful when they feel that there's a connection and they're actually part of community.
Your own quizzes. The canned quizzes from your publisher company just don't cut it. It doesn't help build concepts. It will help with those basic facts, but it doesn't help them build the concepts that you want them to understand going into lab and patient care.
Getting people together in that live setting is really important. They see each other, they can interact with each other. Psychologically, I think it feels like they're in it with people. So that's one thing, is have live events if they're not already baked into your course definition.
If you work in a program where there's multiple instructors teaching multiple courses for the same program, make sure that all your instructors are on the same page about how to organize modules so students know what to expect every time they go into their learning management system.
Have fun with it and ask your colleagues what's working for them, and be patient. Good luck out there.